The decline of Canada, a nation struggling with economic and social challenges. Canada, often seen as a safer and more stable version of the United States, has long been a popular destination for immigrants. However, recent years have seen the country facing a range of challenges, including a rise in homelessness, increasing violent crimes, a collapsing healthcare system, and a stagnating economy. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind Canada's decline and why the situation is expected to worsen before any significant improvements are made. Canada's resource economy and economic shifts. Canada's economy has historically relied on its vast natural resources, including fur, logging, fishing, and oil. However, in recent decades, the country has shifted its focus away from resource industries and towards a housing market-driven economy. This shift began after the global financial crisis of 2008, when Canada's housing market remained stable while other countries experienced a bust. As interest rates dropped, mortgages became cheaper, leading to a dramatic rise in house prices. Canadians, feeling wealthier and invincible, began speculating on the housing market, leading to a housing bubble that has yet to burst. The impact on productivity and wealth. The shift towards a housing market-driven economy has had a detrimental effect on Canada's productivity and wealth. Productivity is a key driver of economic growth and wealth creation, and Canada's productivity has stagnated compared to other countries. The average American worker is nearly 40% more productive than the average Canadian worker, resulting in lower salaries for Canadians. This decline in productivity can be attributed to the lack of investment in new businesses and outdated equipment and technology. Additionally, the focus on housing has made it increasingly unaffordable for young people to enter the housing market, exacerbating wealth inequality. Housing market challenges and the pandemic. Canada's housing market challenges have been further exacerbated by the COVID-19 pandemic. The Bank of Canada dropped interest rates to zero, leading to a surge in borrowing for house purchases. House prices soared by 50% between 2020 and 2022. However, as inflation hit, the Bank of Canada started raising interest rates, causing mortgage payments to increase. Variable rate mortgages, which many Canadians opted for, became more expensive, putting financial strain on consumers. The housing market squeeze has made it increasingly difficult for first-time buyers to enter the market, leading to a decline in home ownership rates. Population growth and housing shortage. Canada's high immigration levels have contributed to rapid population growth, with approximately 1 million new residents annually. However, the country is struggling to keep up with this growth, resulting in a per capita recession. The demand for housing far exceeds the supply, leading to a housing shortage and rising rents, particularly in cities like Toronto. Additionally, Canada lacks enough construction workers to meet the demand for new homes, and the immigration system prioritizes well-educated individuals rather than skilled workers like construction workers. Political inaction and future outlook. Despite these challenges, Canadian politicians have been slow to address the housing crisis and implement solutions. The fear of reducing home prices and being labeled as racist has hindered meaningful action. As a result, the situation may worsen before any significant improvements are made, with potential consequences such as preventable diseases, increased homelessness, and continued political inaction. Conclusion. Canada's decline can be attributed to its shift towards a housing market-driven economy, resulting in a stagnating economy, declining productivity, and unaffordable housing. The country's population growth and housing shortage further exacerbate these challenges. Political inaction and reluctance to address the issues have hindered progress. It remains to be seen how Canada will navigate these challenges and find sustainable solutions to ensure a brighter future for its citizens.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.